sometimes you don't even know how you got to the bottom.
At start, number 33, another.
Jakub Krako, another of our VI skiers that's capable of a quick time, and he has already. 0.24 the difference between Krako and the rest at the first intermediate. Will he have the problems that Bertagnoli had here? Doesn't seem it. A little smoother line down to the second intermediate then. This is Jakub Krako. He's going to be behind here. 1.29. The race for the Super G Gold is on. Branislav Brozman finding the line. That's the guide at the front, at the bottom of your picture, leading Krako down. 1:02.93. It's not going to be. Bertagnoli has the better of the times. It's second for Krako. Third for Harreos.